See, what many of you may know as the Croatan tribe was actually never a tribe, but instead a village. And we know this when we look at the Carolina Algonquin language. The suffix "tan" denotes a place. Another example of this is the village of Socoton, which was led by Chief Wingina. This is also the same tribe that Manteo was a part of. Due to diseases from English contact dwindling numbers of these tribes, they eventually were absorbed into the nearby Tuscarora, leaving behind their former identities and being fully adopted. Now, Tuscarora oral history says that we enacted a mourning war against the colonists, and this was usually done for unaliving a member of a tribe. So during these mourning wars, prisoners would be taken to replace the member of the tribe that was lost. And this is corroborated by the murder of Chief Wingina by the colonists. So you see, the mystery of the lost colony has never really existed to us because our oral history has always stated that we took them in. This also explains why a lot of us are lighter presenting and have light-colored eyes. Now, a little over 30 years later, the first successful English colony would be founded in Jamestown, Virginia. These colonists would have some interactions with the Tuscarora and document them as having been able to read from a book and understanding some English words. Tensions would increase more and more over the next 100 years or so. Well, that all came to a head in 1711 when an English surveyor named John Lawson and the founder of New Bern, Baron de Graffenreid, paddled up the Neuse River further into Tuscarora territory. The Tuscarora would capture and try them, freeing Graffenreid and executing Lawson. Tuscarora would then lead an attack on the town of Bath, officially starting the Tuscarora War, which would last until 1715. The last big battle would take place in March 1713 at Fort Nearuka, where over 950 Tuscarora men, women, and children were killed or sold. Following the war in 1722, the Tuscarora would have a reservation in Bertie County established called Indian Woods. Indian Woods is still unceded Tuscarora territory, and the home of Skorure Katenawaga Nation. Those who did not stay on the reservation or in nearby surrounding areas migrated up north to join our Six Nations relatives. Other Tuscarora migrated to what is now Robeson County. Many of their descendants are part of today's state-recognized tribes like the Lumbee, Coharie, and Wakamasuan. Others who retain their Tuscarora identity and culture are part of the Tuscarora Nation of North Carolina. Many of the Tuscarora living in the Cape Fear region intermarried with African Americans. This led to them being classified as such and restricted their movements, which is why a lot of their descendants still live in that region today. That's all for this lesson, and I hope you enjoyed learning about North Carolina Native history.